just want to say thank you all so much for 34 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, so I'm going to react to another video. Please don't be mad at me. I also found something really unexpected. I've been looking through cybertron videos or whatever, and I found cybertronian language lesson, and I was like, is this for real? I was totally freaking out. I didn't know this exists, but I'm pretty sure it's fake. Don't mind me. I believe it's real. Okay, so yeah, don't worry about that. We're going to react to something else. How about when it's cybertron. Okay. There are noises and it's really weird. I don't know if you can see me, it's kind of dark. Hold on. Please hold. Okay. Can you see me now? Okay, it's better. Obviously it's better this way. Okay. So now let's see. Okay, what about this one? Hopefully I don't set the volume too loud for you guys. Okay. Today we will be reacting to Planet Cybertron Electromagnet Interference EME, or in other words, the sounds of Cybertron. Okay. This is going to be a short video, I guess. But yeah, I guess. Let's do this. Hopefully I don't make too many noise. That's kind of scary. Oh my god. Oh. You know, to be honest, I'm not that surprised that it's that scary. Let's just say there are like half animal noises. At the first part it's like a dog, then all of a sudden at the end it's like a cat. So it's kind of weird, but it's kind of scary at the same time. But I'm not surprised. I'm not that scared, to be honest, because I already heard the noises like over a few times already, but it didn't scare me. It didn't scare me. You know what? I'm not that scared. to be honest, yes. Oh, no, stop it. I really am surprised after all this. I'm done. Wow. I'm just really interested in these things. Although the sounds of Cybertron sounds really interesting, to be honest. There's no way that Cybertron planet is destroyed, right? No, it can't be. Right, now that we've reacted to that, let's watch something else together. I was hoping to do this. Let's see. Where are you? Okay. Pretty sure my dad showed me this before and I really can't stop laughing at this. Okay, let's see this. Hold on, let's go back to that point. Okay. Don't laugh, okay? This is not the try not to laugh challenge. I'm only reacting. I might laugh, but okay, I guess.
This isn't going well, is it? Just turn up the volume a bit, off you go.
So tired of broken hearts and losing and escape.
Sharon, Louis, leave the table, please.
Why?
Because she's trying to sing Madonna. You know what? You two should just go next door and let this girl sing. I'm being serious. Go on, off you go. Leave the table.
She's not okay, okay. You judge the talent.
Fine.
How would we know?
Is that better?
Thank you.
Good.
Oh God, I couldn't stop. I tried.
Shut up! Shall we just go to the chorus? Because I don't think we're ever going to get there.
Cherish the strength you got. Make me feel good, oh baby. I perish the thought.
No, it's exactly the same. Danny, you should leave as well.
So try it again, or
No.
I'm gonna give them a performance they've never seen before. It's gonna be something they're gonna remember.
Come on, man.
thank you.
Thanks very much, Andre.
Thank you. Right then, see you later.
Take care.
Yeah, have a nice night, yeah?
You look like a crab going
I know it's been some time, but there's something on my mind. You see, I haven't been the same since a cold November day. We said we needed space, but what we had was an empty place. And the only things I learned is that I need you guys' breath.
She's singing pretty well, but the tone is a bit funny. You know what? Let's react to something else. This is too hilarious. Oh, what about the music in space? In space, real life, real. Okay, not that type of. You know what? Let's see. What is the everyday life in an astronaut? Oh my god, I'd rather not see that. Please don't. Please don't. been my dream of going into space, so don't stop me, okay? It's real, I'm telling you, it's real. What does space really look like? It's kind of gorgeous in a way, but some people use art styles of space. Kind of nice looking. What happened to lost women in space? Ah, no, that better be fake, please. Scary sounds of space? We see you. Oh, that's kind of scary. I'm not that scared. What will space do to humans? Okay, let's listen to this kind of really sketched out. Nope, nope, I can't anymore. Too scary. Well, let's try this one.
Welcome back to the amazing Top 10. My name is Danny Burke, and I love space a bit too much.
Oh, same. What happened to the people lost in space? They died. Duh. Cause you cannot live in space any longer. Duh. You travel and then you directly come back to Earth because nope, there's hell no way. Space music live. Oh heck no. Dude, I'm literally scared right now. I don't care anyway, so yeah, space is my life. Just kidding, man. Calm space ambient music, cosmic harmony. Doesn't sound too bad. People made that. Oh well. How they eat, drink, and survive in space. Duh. I wouldn't imagine that.
It's so mind-blowingly vast that you can't look up at the night sky and not wonder, is there life out there? Are there things we just don't know about yet? Well, there's been times that we've been looking and listening and we've heard something. Like for real. This is the top 10 scary signals from space. At number 10 now, the sound of a black hole. Edward Morgan from MIT collected X-ray data on a distant black hole, then transmitted it into a sound that is audible to humans. The original of this is about 1 million billion times deeper than anything you could ever hear. The deepest.
I never heard a black hole sounds before, but what I have heard is that once you go in the black hole, it says that you travel to another dimension or you go further deeper in space. That's what I have heard, but I've never experienced it before. But don't tell my parents I'm going this year, okay? Don't tell them. All right, moving on.
Note in the universe, in fact, but with a little bit of tweaking, here is a sound of an actual black hole, and it's terrifying. Coming at number 9, we have the.
It doesn't sound that terrifying, to be honest. I mean, I'm not terrified right now because it's almost 2 o'clock in the night. So yes, it's basically nighttime right now. But I just wanted to do a quick reaction real quick. So yeah.
Lost cosmonaut. In 1961, 2 Italian brothers recorded a signal from space which they claimed was from a secret Soviet space mission. It sounded like a female cosmonaut who was in distress while trying to orbit the Something had apparently gone wrong. She was complaining of feeling hot as she burned up in the atmosphere. Now, the Russians announced that an unmanned craft had burned up in the atmosphere and denied they had any knowledge of the lost cosmonaut. At the number 8 spot now, we have
What?
Tabby Star.
It sounded like a voice of a woman, but I cannot pick up anything what she's trying to say or anything. Is it a girl or a boy? Leave a comment down below if it's a boy or a girl. I don't know.
This mysterious star was discovered by amateur astronomers and found to be about 1,400 light years from Earth. The strange thing was, the brightness of it would dip by 22% for days at a time. Some suggested it was a Dyson sphere, a theoretical alien structure that would enclose a whole star to harvest all of its power. For many years it's been just a sci-fi idea, but Tabby Star seemed to fit this theory very well. At the time of recording, scientists are still carrying out further studies. Coming in at number 7 now, we have 234 stars. In 2016, Canadian astronomers found something very strange within the Milky Way. 234 stars that were blinking at exactly the same rate. Eric Trottier, the astronomer who found this, proposed that the signal was just too much of a coincidence. He thought it was of alien origin. He said that the pulsating signals were caused by an alien civilization flashing a laser in our direction, causing a faint but detectable blip in their star's light. The stars could even be 234 different civilizations pulling together to try and contact us. Moving on to number 6 now, we have the sound of Saturn. In 2000.
Oh, no, no, no. Don't remind me of Saturn. Please. Don't. Oh, no. Go back. Phew. Oh my gosh. Alright, so as you guys have known that you guys have heard the music of space, that is kind of weird. And we have heard the sounds of cybertron, that's also a bit sketchy to be honest, but I'm not that scared. Nah, I swear, if it's loud, like ear-raping loud. Ear-raping means extremely loud, like let's see, like the sound goes on top of the roof of your house, like that really loud, or like when you go to a DJ's party or something, kind of like that, really loud. I swear, if it's that loud, then I'm out of there. I'm not gonna be able to hear anymore. But yes. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys next time. Make sure to comment down below on which on the hold on, let me bring myself together. Make sure to comment down below on which video I should react to next. Please, just comment down below, you guys. But I also wanted to say thank you so much for 34 subscribers. It really made me happy. I was like, when I saw it, I was in shock. I was really surprised. Like, gosh, that's a lot of subscribers. But yeah, I also have improved with my art styles, as you guys have seen. But yeah, as you guys can know, something different about me is this. My mom did it for me, okay? It's because it was so fat that she had to make it a bit thinner, and she wanted to put style. But you see, here is white and here is a bit dark. It's because I got burnt in the sun. But don't mind my looks, okay? Because looks don't matter, your personality matters. But yeah, make sure to stay positive and always be positive to yourself. Alright, I'll be going now, so yeah. Good night, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.